Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You can't install the Android Play Store on an iPhone. Start by accepting that constraint and picking an alternative. Open Safari or the Google app, then sign in with the Google account tied to any Play purchases. Once signed in, navigate to Play. Google.com to view apps, books, or media. This gives read-only access to your library and purchase history. Make sure to enable cookies and allow pop-ups so pages load cleanly. And keep your Apple ID separate from Google Sign-In for clarity. Once on Play, Google.com, search for the item you want. You'll see app pages, book listings, and media details. If an item is an Android app you can't install, look for cross-platform availability or a web alternative. For books and movies, install Google Play Books or Google TV from the Apple App Store. Sign into the same Google account and sync your library. This lets you read or stream content legally on iPhone, even when the Play Store app itself isn't supported. To finish, confirm purchases or library items display in the Google account on your iPhone and open them in the appropriate native app when available. If playback or access fails, clear Safari cache, force close and reopen the Google app, or sign out and back into the Google account to refresh authentication. Make sure iOS and any Google apps are updated. If an Android-only app is required, look for an iOS alternative or use a remote desktop/Android device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.